Welcome my dear students. This course is about relational algebra and calculus course with implementation. This lecture is about introduction to the course, objectives of the course, introduction to query languages. You know that there are two types of query languages. One is procedural and other one is non-procedural query language. So we are going to learn much more about these two query languages. And the second objective is that implementations of the complex problems. We are going toward implementation of the query languages like procedural and non-procedural query languages. We are going toward implementation in this course like relational algebra concepts, which are very important to learn and implement on SQL Server or any other server like MariaDB functionalities. We are going toward how we can use MariaDB for implementation relational algebra and calculus by using SQL language. This is the first section of the course, relational algebra, query languages introduction, what is relational algebra, and we are discussing about fundamental operations in relational algebra, which are the 5 fundamental operations: unary operations, binary operations, join operations, division operations, aggregate and grouping operations, and types of all the 5 fundamental operations. And the second section is about relational calculus. Relational calculus, and there are two types of relational calculus, are tuple relational calculus TRC and domain relational calculus, which is DRC. So this is amazing course and amazing platform to enhance your skills, and I am very thankful to you that you are watching this course, and this journey will be the great and amazing. Thank you for watching the first lecture.